What is Spotify AI DJ new feature? So if you want to use the Spotify DJ mode, then first what you need to do is just simply go with your Play Store and make sure that you've updated the application because it's a new feature, right? So you just need to simply go and update, and after updating you may get that feature. So go with update if you have any updates and update your Spotify. Once you update it, you need to open up your Spotify. Now, once you open up your Spotify, on the upper left, you will have the DJ option, a DJ mode option. But if you don't have that option under your music library or under your upper left, then it means that it's not available in your region yet, or it is in the beta version. So you just need to simply go with beta version, or Spotify has made it to a small number of countries. Like Spotify only made this feature available in the United States and Canada. If you do not live in one of these countries, it's not possible to use the DJX. They will make this feature available for other countries after the beta version. So unfortunately, until then, you don't have that option. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.